For first diffraction minimum, we can write a sin theta equal to lambda. So this implies a is equal to lambda by sin theta. Now for the secondary maximum, we can write a sin theta 1 is equal to 3 lambda by 2, or this can also be written as sin theta 1 is equal to 3 lambda by 2a. So this is equality actually. So I can substitute for 1 by a, that gives us 3 by 2 3 lambda by 2 into sin theta by lambda. So lambda lambda gets cancelled and we have 3 by 2 sin theta, and theta is given as 30 degrees. So this becomes sin theta 1 is equal to 3 by 2 of sin 30 degrees. That gives us theta 1 is equal to sin inverse of 3 by 4. This is the answer.